Fired Earth Woodworks is a strong, durable, water-based wood sealer for interior and exterior use. It has a medium gloss, non-yellowing finish and has an excellent abrasion and adhesion properties. I enjoy this product as it is a stainer and sealer in one. It is easy to apply, low odor, non-hazardous, lead-free and is water-based, which makes cleaning a breeze. It has built-in UV protection for great outdoor protection and is available in a range of standard colors. When selecting your color choice, make sure you have a look at the color swatch on the front of the bottle as it shows you the difference between softwood and hardwood color variations. This product has a spreading rate of approximately 7 to 9 square meters per liter per coat depending on the type of substrate and surface porosity. The sealer is touch dry in around 4 hours depending on the environment temperature. Recoating is at least 4 hours between coats and again depends on the environmental temperatures. This wood sealer can be applied with a brush, a roller or a spray gun, but you will need to thin the solution slightly to reduce the viscosity when using a spray gun. However, thinning this product is not recommended, and if you have to do it, it must be undertaken to a minimum. All equipment can be cleaned using water whilst the product is still wet. This wood sealer is perfect for furniture, garden fences and other wooden items to protect and beautify the wood under external and internal conditions. I personally use this product on a regular basis as it is a quick dry combination of stain and sealer in one. If you found this clip interesting, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews and DIY projects.